Mavericks 11-2 in their last 13, and you can see why. Kyrie and Luka. Kyrie down the lane. He lost the handle on the way up, and Steph comes away with it. Lennon said he needed a shutout. There's one stop.
So the last 3 minutes of Dallas against Golden State Warriors. So 5 points lang yung lamang ng Dallas Mavericks. So the score is 138 against 133. Pinasa sa ilalim. Klay Thompson shoot. No good. Rebound is Stephen Curry. So Curry pinasa kang Green. Tried a love pass to Kuminga but no good.
Was a missed opportunity.
So sayang yan, no? Sayang. Naghahabol sila ng 5 points.
2 minutes of crunch time. Doubling Kyrie in the corner. Skip pass to PJ Washington.
Pagira ng tres, no good. Rebound by Curry. Tumatakbo si Curry. And Curry for 3 points, no good. Sayang yun. Airball, ah. Minsan-minsan lang nagka-airball yan si Stephen Curry. So shout out nga pala dyan sa mga kababayan ko sa Cagayan de Oro City, na. So today is December 16, 2024. The game between the Golden State Warriors and the Dallas Mavericks. Lamang yung Dallas ng 5. Last 1 minute and 36 seconds. So shout out nga pala, please support my new page sa Facebook, Popex TV. Paki-like and follow and share. So mga update sa mga NBA games, doon na tayo mag-update, mag-upload tayo ng mga bago na mga content regarding basketball, especially NBA.
Target there as he overthrew Kuminga, whose catch rate is everywhere. So for Luka and Steph, you need boxing cutmen to handle the war wounds. And then the last Steph shot.
Ano nangyari? Bakit matagal?
They're probably going to double team me if I don't get
Ang
this
dami
off.
kasing kamot sa
Shot as quick as he could. Maybe a
sarap.
little
Tignan mo.
too quick that time.
Buong katawan ng mga players ngayon, ang daming scratches. First free throw, no good. So may pag-asa pa. Taas pa yung 1 minute and 36 seconds
That's why those last two trips for the Dubs.
in the fourth and final quarter.
Clutch minutes again for the Warriors.
So the pressure is taking toll in this free throw. Kasi home court advantage ng Warriors.
Drops it in.
Pumasok yung pangalawang tira. So 6 points yung hinahabol nila Stephen Curry. Curry has the ball. Pass to Kuminga. Stephen Curry for 3. Hindi pumasok. Talagang sayang dalawang tira na yun ni Stephen Curry, na. Kung pumasok lang sana, medyo makakalapit sila ng kaunti. So parang ano na, nanalo na dito yung yung Dallas. And a foul committed by Kuminga. Wiggins, under Wiggins.
But this is what's happened the last 5 minutes for the
Sayang
Warriors
yun,
in so
sayang.
many of these different games. Where they just, it's a play, you miss, you throw a lob over someone's head, or you turn it over, you shoot an air ball, or you foul somebody. Like, to lose these clutch games, the margin is so thin.
So please
They're
support,
just not able to string possessions together.
And
Smart, solid possessions.
like and
where
follow
they
and
turn it
subscribe to
over.
Popex TV.
Defensively too. That time Andrew
First
Wiggins
free
just
throw, pumasok.
couldn't close out under control. He hit the snake bite as Klay Thompson's going up.
Klay Thompson,
The
another.
Warriors came in
last
having
free throw.
lost 7 of 9, but
So
13
ayan,
of their
clutch
last
yun,
15 games
si
have been clutch games. They're not getting
Thompson,
blown.
26 points.
Now this,
7 out of 11 yung field goal niya from 3 points.
the issue had been the offense. He's really struggled offensively. You
Second
finally
free throw,
break
pasok
out
din.
and have a great shooting
So
game.
8 points na yung lamang. Medyo mahihirapan na talaga.
great shooting game is going to trump your great shooting game.
I mean, you set a franchise record or equaled it with 27 made threes.
That's wild.
It's going to go in the garbage can.
Last free throw, pasok din. So wala na. 9 points na. Tumaas na yung lamang nila.
28 for Klay Thompson. His season.
9 points na yung lamang. 142 against 133. So mahihirapan na. Mahihirapan na yung yung Golden State. So shout out tayo sa mga bago nating mga subscribers and followers. Thank you for watching us here in Popex TV. Magandang araw sa inyo dyan mga kapatid. So
Still not yet.
Well, it's going to be a beautiful
Sorry, honey.
we can expect.
Christmas is on the air na, no?
But you never
Days na
asked.
lang. 9 days before Christmas.
The time is now. Find your perfect BMW at the Road Home Sales Event.
So shout
Lease
out
the
dyan mga
2025 BMW i4
lahat
eDrive
ng mga
40 for
Pilipino,
$459
especially yung mga OFW natin. Nagtatrabaho, sakripisyo
Dallas
sa
gonna
ibang
move
bansa.
to
Shout out dyan.
12-2 in their last 14 games. When the Warriors beat them, Dallas was 5-7. And they have been the hottest team in the league since. And this is how they designed it. Luka 45, Kyrie 21, Klay Thompson 28. This is exactly how they envisioned the shooting. Now, they're at 60% for the game. That doesn't happen very often.
Your screen
Clay's
is
played really well against the
Kyrie
Warriors so
Irving,
far in his 2 games.
tumira ng tres. Yung Warriors hindi pumasok offensive rebound by Wiggins. Pero natae. Stepping out of bounds si Andrew Wiggins.
Season low from their career low
Talagang
from the three and the field.
less chances na to. Daming chances. Pero
But the two Warrior games
talagang
has
hindi
been
nila
brilliant.
ma-convert ng maayos.
The last few years.
Warriors doesn't get any easier with Memphis on Thursday.
Good
Minnesota
press, no?
on
Good press.
Saturday. And a lot of holiday home
So,
games.
yan na.
Dennis
Pinapatay
Schroeder
nila yung oras.
on Thursday.
Travel yun ah. So, foul is committed.
So this is just adding to the cosmetic final score here.
If you think about last season, the Mavs finished 5th.
So, dalawang
They
free
end up in
throw.
the finals. They're
Penalty
4th
na.
right now. I think OKC has gotten so much better. But
Well, that's the. I mean, Dallas was 31 and 31.
First free throw.
And then they made the trades, and then they went on a run to end the
By
season.
the Warriors are 5th in the West
Thompson.
right now. They need to start making some hay. Warriors would love to go on a
Pasok.
run of their own, but they're going to have to figure out these.
So, 10 points na yung lamang, no?
Dennis Schroeder, the German Guten Tag.
Welcome.
I mean, career numbers in basically everything. He's had a
On your
fantastic
screen are the,
season
are the
for
stats
You know,
of
he said back when he was with OKC, his favorite NBA city was
Schroeder.
San Francisco.
German.
Okay,
He said that. So
full see it a lot.
Guten Tag.
Full circle moment. One thing for Schroeder, to see him internationally for Germany, they won the World
So, shout
Cup,
out
beating
dyan pala
Steve
sa
Kerr, Team USA.
Corpus
And then he
Christi
was
Knights.
excellent in the Olympics again. They lost to France in the
Elementary
semis.
boys.
Before the
Shout
United
out to
States
Coach
beat
Carlo
France.
Dagalea and Coach
got so
Pej
much speed.
Bracero and Coach Buning,
Great
the
ball
owner
handler.
of Aaron
His
Huskies,
scoring, he's having one of his
founder
best
of Aaron
starts
Huskies
seasons,
basketball.
career high average in
Second
assists.
free throw, hindi
Warriors are
pumasok.
looking forward to having him play his first game as a Warrior.
The way Dallas was offensively, they were going to beat any team in the NBA tonight. And that happens over 82. Especially so many
Hindi
good
rin
teams.
pumasok yung drive na yun.
Podziemski misses the
So
floater.
sayang yan ha.
For the Warriors,
Wala talaga.
they
Talo
know
talaga
they can
yung
score
Golden
133.
State
That's a good
Warriors.
sign because
Home
they've
court
been the
advantage
fourth
naman
best
nila.
offensive
Sayang
team
din.
in the
Ha?
league. But the Mavs are rolling right now. 12-2 in their last 14 games.
So congratulations
Losing
to
85
Dallas
last 10.
Mavericks. Panalo sila
13
dito.
out of those 15
Ilan out
games
of
they played have been
ano lang
clutch
shot,
games. So
shot clock violation na.
great return game for Klay with 29 points, 5 rebounds, 4
Hindi
assists.
nila tinira, I think,
Love
para
Klay
to sa mga
Thompson forever. He
pumupusta.
won the statue outside of Chase Center.
Ayun.
Mavs win it 143
So that's it.
133. And an
So thank you for Thank you for subscribing Ipopex TV. Hanggang sa muli, next game na naman tayo. No? So, again, thank you so much. Bye-bye.